Alright, I'm going to attempt to get out the door.
I'm sure the town officials aren't that happy, John, thank you, because they do have 2 emergency shelters set up there for folks.
In a second.
Communities are really dealing with a lot of this out there. We're checking with someone on Hampton Beach to see how the New Hampshire seacoast is. But JC, that in August, one is
Oh,
It
shit.
has been, without question, and thank you to all the viewers who have been sending in your photos via tweet, hashtag WCBD Snow. And here in Spencer on the back deck, this was before sunrise, a lot of shoveling to do there. I thought this was beautiful.
Oh
On
my
the back
God.
bay, yes, the trees are bent under the weight of such heavy, wet snow. Salem, New Hampshire, a lot of pictures like this, people just opening up their doors, taking a picture, and you can see just how high it is. And it has some reminders of the blizzard of 78. We opened the back door, and at the time, above my head, trying to get out. So there's a lot of shoveling to do before you even get to the shoveling, if you know what I mean. Snowfall totals, Northborough 28 inches, Braintree 23, more than 2 feet in Beverly, Bridgewater close to 2 feet, Boston right now still 12 feet, but that was taken a couple of hours ago. We'll wait to see what the final total would be. Worcester at 28, that looks to track if it becomes the official total from the airport. It looks to track number 3 on all-time snow for Worcester, and Melrose, as you can see, more than 2 feet. Natick did more than 2 feet. Shrewsbury, Brentham as well. Lots of snow to deal with. We still have that steady band we've been talking about going through the North Shore, Boston, right out to 128, and continuing right down through Cape Cod. But we have word that there's some sun emerging in Worcester, and certainly much drier air off to the west, and very cold temperatures for everybody. In the teens, anything falling right now, very fluffy snow coming in, but it is bitter cold. When you add in the wind, it feels like it's below 0 in many areas. You need to please be very careful as you're heading out, and whenever that is. Today, if you have to do some shoveling or whatnot, and there's a lot of shoveling to be had. And if you're toward the coast especially, be careful when you're shoveling. It may seem light at first, but you're going to get to that heavier snowpack when the storm first started that is beneath the lighter snow. And we have a very heavy snowpack down towards Cape Cod. Again, please, whenever it comes time to clean up, take extra care. Coastal flood warning along the coast. This is where all eyes are turning right now. From Salisbury to Cape Ann, Hull to Sandwich, there is a good chance of major flooding. We're at high tide right now, but we need to watch the next hour or 2 before the seas will really start to recede. They're running higher than they were last night at high tide, so there may be, we've already had some structural damage, there may be more, and we already have numerous roads closed up and down the East Coast due to flooding.
Oh my God. I did it. I did it. But I made a big fucking plan.
It's so strong off the coastline. Of course, the seas have turned up to 32 feet just offshore, coming in 15, 20-foot seas just as they're approaching land. Here are the wind speeds as we go through the afternoon. We're still getting a tremendous amount of wind. That means it's going to stay bitter cold out there, and tremendous blowing and drifting snow. So it's a good thing nobody has anywhere to go today. Hopefully you don't, because this is continuing right through tonight.
Oh my God.
Woo!
Let's show what I got. I did it. I am awesome dog owner. Okay. Whew.